अस्सलाम वालेकुम चाचा, ये दही कितना है?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम बेटी, सिर्फ 50 रुपए।
ठीक है, लगता है बहुत ताज़ा है।
हाँ बिल्कुल ताज़ा। लो पैसे रख लो।
शुक्रिया चाचा। Discover the secret to soft skin. New dahi cream makes fresh from It will be ready soon. Perfect, just the right amount. If you liked my video, don't forget to comment, like.
Share and subscribe to my video.
Namaste, how are you doing today? Namaste. I am going to the market.
Freshly cut for you, sir. Thank you very much.
Let's make some fresh chutney. It is going. These are very spicy. Let's prepare the fresh herbs. This is going to be delicious. This is going to be delicious. It is all. Nothing beats the aroma of home-cooked meals, especially with the perfect blend of spices. National Masala, making every meal a celebration. Perfect, just the right amount. Now for the spices. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's make something delicious. Let's make something delicious. The secret is always in the blend. Perfect long grain rice every time. Always with National Masala. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making the perfect biryani.
नेशनल मटन बिरयानी का जवाब नहीं।
बिल्कुल, उंगलियां छाटते रह जाओ।
मैंने कहा था ना।